Filter housing assembly. Assemble the filters and housings onto the main system. Check that each filter housing has a rubber O-ring fitted. Make sure the O-ring is seated securely in the groove of the housing to help prevent leaks. Place stages 1 to 3 into its relevant housing. Once each filter has been placed into its correct housing, attach the housings to the main system one at a time. Hand tighten each housing by turning it counterclockwise until securely fitted. Use the wrench provided to fully tighten all 3 housings. Note, some users may find it easier to tighten the housings while the system is lying down. Unscrew the 4-stage filter RO membrane counterclockwise and remove the cap. Remove the RO membrane filter from its packaging and place it into its housing. Hand tighten the housing by turning it clockwise until securely fitted. Disconnect the PE tubing from the Quick Connect. Use the smaller wrench provided to fully tighten the housing. Insert the PE tubing back into the Quick Connect and place the filter housing back into position.